Hello and welcome to our video on why niche-based marketing is the key to success. For local businesses, are you a local business struggling to compete in today's market? Are you looking for a way to differentiate your business and stand out from the competition? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of niche-based marketing for local businesses and how it can help you build a successful and profitable business. So, if you're ready to learn more about the power of niche-based marketing, let's get started. Are you a local business struggling to compete in today's market? Are you struggling to stand out from the competition? If so, niche-based marketing may be the key to your success. Why niche-based marketing is the key to success for local businesses. In today's market, it's important to differentiate your business from the rest. Niche-based marketing allows you to do just that. By focusing on a specific, targeted audience, you can create a marketing strategy that resonates with that audience and stands out from the competition. For example, let's say you own a coffee shop. If you focus on the general coffee drink market, you'll compete with every other coffee shop in town. But if you focus on a specific niche, like organic, fair trade coffee, you'll be able to differentiate your business and attract a more specific, loyal customer base. Niche-based marketing also allows you to create a more personalized marketing strategy. By targeting a specific audience, you can tailor your marketing efforts to meet the needs and desires of that audience. This can lead to higher conversion rates and a more successful business. So, if you're a local business looking to stand out from the competition, consider niche-based marketing as a key to your success. By focusing on a specific, targeted audience, you can differentiate your business and create a marketing strategy that resonates with that audience, leading to a more successful and profitable business. In addition to differentiating your business and creating a personalized marketing strategy, niche-based marketing can also help you save money on your marketing efforts. By targeting a specific, smaller audience, you can focus your marketing budget on the most effective channels and tactics for reaching that audience, rather than trying to reach a broader, less targeted market. Niche-based marketing can also help you build a reputation as an expert in your field. By focusing on a specific niche, you can become known as the go-to source for information and products related to that niche, which can help drive customer loyalty and repeat business. Finally, niche-based marketing can also help you build relationships with other businesses and influencers in your niche. By working with other businesses and influencers in your niche, you can collaborate on marketing efforts, cross-promote each other's products and services, and tap into new audiences. So, if you're a local business looking to stand out from the competition and build a successful and profitable business, consider focusing on niche-based marketing. It can help you differentiate your business, create a personalized marketing strategy, save money on marketing efforts, build a reputation as an expert, and build relationships with other businesses and influencers in your niche. In conclusion, niche-based marketing is a powerful tool for local businesses looking to stand out from the competition and build a successful and profitable business. By focusing on a specific, targeted audience, you can create a personalized marketing strategy that resonates with that audience, save money on your marketing efforts, build a reputation as an expert in your field, and build relationships with other businesses and influencers in your niche. So, if you're a local business looking to succeed in today's market, consider focusing on niche-based marketing as a key to your success. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about how niche-based marketing can help your local business succeed, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our services. We offer various marketing solutions specifically for local businesses, including niche-based marketing strategies. Subscribe now and stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks for building a successful and profitable local business. Don't miss out on the opportunity to grow your business and stand out from the competition.